ओ हाय हेलो ओम शांति एंड वेलकम टू प्योर बाइट्स। जैसे कि आप देख रहे थे, मैं मशरूम्स को स्लाइस कर रहा था और इस एपिसोड में आज क्विक बैचलर्स टाइप ऑफ क्विक स्नैक और लाइट मील हाका नूडल्स। हाका नूडल्स जैसे आप जानते हैं कि इट्स क्वाइट पॉपुलर, इट्स वेरी पॉपुलर इन चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट और it's very simple. The noodles which we have chosen on Pure Bites is made of wheat and coconut oil and water. That's it. Just wheat basically and water. Not even coconut oil. Just wheat and water. Normally in Chinese restaurants they do use egg noodles for Hakka noodles, but because on Pure Bites our food is totally sattvic, we are just going to use noodles made with wheat and water. So as you know, I was chopping mushrooms. Now mushrooms are so good. They are less in fat and low calories. Basically there's absolutely no fat and calories, or they have quite a lot of vitamins and minerals like copper, potassium, magnesium. So it is full of goodness, plus इसमें थोड़ा प्रोटीन भी है. तो plenty of mushrooms if you know want to add some protein to your noodles. So now what we're going to do for Hakka noodles, I'm going to start my water to boil the noodles, and what I have chosen today is cabbage shredded. As you can see, I've hand done it. Machine, you can also do it in the food processor. I've got red and green capsicum and a bit of yellow. So whatever's in the fridge, कुछ भी बचा हो, capsicums, गाजर भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं आप. I can even take some carrot and show you how to slice a carrot afterwards. So let's finish the mushroom first. Best way of slicing mushroom is like this. Now if it was noodles and or pizza topping, definitely like this. If it was something like a Manchurian dish, you want to add mushrooms or something, then quarters. So for today we're going to just slice it. See, beautifully like a umbrella shaped slice. So I've got my mushroom slice, and now I might just quickly add some carrot of this size. और इसको या तो पील करो या तो थोड़ा सा ट्रिम करो, and you can always use these trimmings for your compost. Best for compost. Now this is what I do for noodles. Slice करते हैं पतला, इसको पहले यहाँ रखते हैं, पतला स्लाइस करते हैं. You can even slice it on the machine, or आजकल mandolin बहुत यूज करते हैं. You know the mandolin, you can put it on a stand and just with that handle you can which pokes into the carrot, you can just slice the carrots. So there are so many tools these days where you can do, लेकिन I prefer just doing the carrots this way, slicing them carefully, और फिर लास्ट में आ जाते तो ऐसे fingers and just slowly just slice it like that. This is all done very safely, and now it's just a matter of, this is the best part of slicing the carrot, shingle layered, इसको बोलते हैं shingle laying, and just nicely प्यार से meditate भी कर सकते हैं. You can visualize using a picture of Paramatma or God. So safe technique is always good. You can do so many things once you get used to it. पहले तो you have to be careful, and then you just slice this. My water is boiling now, so I'm nearly ready with my carrots. See how beautifully they look, and it's going to be a lot of fun making my Hakka noodles. So here we are with cut those carrots. Do it in a food processor or use a mandolin, whatever you prefer. So Hakka noodles, I've taken about 200 grams, and in boiling water, I'm just gonna let it separate out, soften up. Now, a lot of people do add salt when you boil your pasta or noodles, and it's a very good thing because when you're actually making the noodles, you don't have to use much salt. The salt penetrates into those pasta or noodles, and you have to use nearly half the quantity of sauce later on. Here we go. It's a good idea to keep separating the noodles, नहीं तो चिपक जाते हैं, और फिर चिपक गए तो वो कुक नहीं होते. So keep on separating the noodles. Once they're separate, it only takes about 5 minutes. So all my veggies are ready. The mushrooms, the cabbage, the capsicum, the carrots, and now it's just a matter of the noodles getting cooked. See, separate करके बहुत ही बढ़िया they are cooking. As you can see, these noodles का color देखें, it's slightly whitish. There's no egg in it. Normally, if they use egg noodles, तो बहुत yellowish color होता है. ये देखिए. See how the noodles are looking? They're softening up already. It doesn't take too long at all to make these lovely noodles. And so many people enjoy noodles. I'm really surprised how many people enjoy eating the noodles which are got a bit of a gourmet touch to it without just eating a 2-minute cup of noodles and those seasonings, and you just don't know what is in that seasoning powder, whether they put MSG or all those sort of things to enhance the taste and make you like and get addicted to those noodles. So here we are. All I have to do now is take one noodle और इसको अभी थोड़ा सा सख्त है. So if you just have press it a little bit like this, you'll see that in the middle there's a bit of a hardness. You can feel it. So that means it's not cooked yet. And I can. But also, ध्यान रखिए कि जब noodles are nearly cooked, it's better to immediately strain them because the process of cooking keeps on happening. The heat is there, so it still keeps on cooking. And plus, you're going to sort of stir fry them, so that cooking 90 to 95% is a good idea. So now, as you can see, whenever I make noodles, I'm using chopsticks. And you should also try to use chopsticks while cooking noodles. It's easier to sort of, mix the veggies with the noodles and all that. And it's not, you get used to it very quickly. Just like holding a cricket bat in the right hand, then you try using it in the left hand. It's just that basically this one chopstick is stationary with this finger, and the other one is the one which is movable, and that's how you just start getting used to it. And you don't have to go through the same thing which I went through. Is my chef when I was training in the Chinese kitchen of Centaur Hotel Mumbai Airport, my chef made me eat at least 10 green peas at the end of the day with chopstick, which was the hardest. Eating green peas with chopstick is painful, especially if your fingers are not used to holding a chopstick, and sometimes it would take me half an hour at least. So here we go. The noodles are ready, and it's ready to time to strain them. Here I am draining the थोड़ा सा Now, in case you feel that you want to stop the process of cooking the noodles because they are almost cooked, then you can add a little bit of cold water so that they become instantly cold, and you can sort of so तैयार हैं हमारे noodles for cooking. Now what I would do is so that they don't stick to each other, just a little bit of oil like this. And that method you can also do to the pasta. Beautiful. ये देखिए. Okay. So आइए, let's cook our Hakka noodles. Let it drain for just about 2 minutes and we can start cooking our Hakka noodles. Okay, so time to saute our vegetables. अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं vegetables क्यों saute कर रहा हूँ first, क्योंकि vegetables when you saute will leave some of its water contents, थोड़ा सा juice हो जाएगा, पानी हो जाएगा. So अगर मैं salt नहीं डालूंगा तो नहीं होगा, crispy रहेगा. So what I'm going to do is, मेरे पास सब्जियां भी ज़्यादा है noodles के comparison में. I'll do the vegetables first and then I will mix them together when I'm sauteing the noodles. Alternatively, आप noodles भी पहले कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सब्जियां hot wok में सब्जियां डाल के जितनी चाहिए आपको उतनी, and you can season it. You can do it both ways. अगर आपको लग रहा होगा कि मेरे पास सब्जियां ज़्यादा हैं, so you can saute the vegetables first and then you can add just what you need. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to saute my vegetables first, starting with the carrots. थोड़ा सा जिंजर का तड़का भी हो जाए. तो क्योंकि ये बारीक काटे हुए गाजर भी बहुत जल्दी गल जाएंगे, so and I want them to stay crispy. I've got 2 of these because when cabbage wilts, it becomes half the quantity. So I've done that. Some red and green capsicum. Now just mix it up a bit before I add the mushrooms. ये सारी सब्जियां मेरे पास थी. I want to use it up. तो सौटे कर लूँगा, जितनी चाहिए उतनी यूज़ करूँगा, और जो बची हुई हैं उनका कुछ कॉन्डिमेंट भी बना सकता हूँ मैं. Sesame oil, a bit of sesame seeds, like a little pickle side dish, maybe with a little bit of chili. You can do various things like a kimchi जो होता है कोरियन चिली पाउडर के साथ. तो साइड डिशेस आप काफ़ी कर सकते हैं with vegetables. There's no limit to what you can do. Just your imagination which limits you basically. तो ये सारी सब्जियां हो चुकी हैं और अब मैं ऐड करूंगा. This is exactly what I want. ये नाइफ का भी कितना versatile usage है. You can do so many things. It helps you pick up things and all that. And जैसे मैंने कहा, don't be afraid to use big knives. छोटी छुरियां don't give much value. Here we are. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, जब मशरूम सौटे करते हैं, it starts, regardless you add salt or not, it'll start juicing up, or that juice is slightly like a darkish color, so I don't want. Beautiful. तो ये हो गया है मेरा वेजीज. अब मैं इसको निकाल लूंगा. This wok and chopstick is a great way of cooking Chinese food. Just using a spoon all the time or karchi, sometimes, especially while making noodles, makes it looks out of place. अब टॉस करते हैं हमारा Hakka noodle. Little bit of oil. Already there's some oil in there, so I don't need much. क्योंकि मैंने after they cook, I just added some oil so they would like stay separate like this. See again the chopsticks. ये देखिए कैसे लग रहे हैं. Just beautiful. So while our wok is heating again, we can separate out the noodles. So mix करने के लिए आसान हो जाएंगे. Wok is already seasoned. Oil is heating up. Ready to put my ginger. अब when you add your ginger, अगर आपको पता नहीं है wok कितना गर्म है, it will tell you straight away. See, it's taking its time to sort of cook. मतलब थोड़ा और भी हीट होना बाकी है. अब देखो, now it's picking up the heat. This is the stage where you should add your noodles because नहीं तो ginger will get crispy. Here we are. Beautiful. थोड़ा सा white pepper. Little bit of sugar. Always a little bit of sugar. थोड़ा सा salt. So noodles अच्छे से सौटे हो गए. As you can see, steam भी हो रहे हैं. हमने सब कुछ डाला है. अब बारी है सोया सॉस की. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा सोया सॉस, लाइट सोया सॉस. We don't want to make it too dark क्योंकि they are nearly whitish noodles. So थोड़ा सा सोया सॉस, little bit of that enhancing sauce.
To prepare enhancing sauce, we require 20% white vinegar, 10% chopped ginger, 10% chopped green chilies, and 60% light soy sauce. Mix them all together in a pot.
और अब बारी है ये सब्जियों की. Perfect. I can even use up my leftover vegetables. So in a way, perfect quantity after that 10% loss. Beautiful. See how easy it is to mix. अगर आप टोंग यूज करते हैं या स्पून यूज करें, it will be so hard to mix all these vegetables in the noodle. Very very easy. और ये हो गया है हमारा Hakka noodle. And finally some of our beautiful dhania. That's my Hakka noodle.
Now let's take the recap of Hakka noodles. The ingredients are 200 grams dry wheat noodles, 1 cup sliced mushroom, 1 cup julienne cut or thickly grated carrots, 1 cup shredded white cabbage, 1 cup shredded red and green capsicum, salt to taste, half a teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 100 ml oil, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of enhancing sauce. Now let's understand the method. First, we need to boil some water in a pan. While the water is heating up, you can slice the vegetables. When the water starts boiling, Add salt for taste and noodles to it and stir it gently with chopsticks or a fork to prevent noodles sticking to each other. After the noodles are cooked, drain them into a colander and drizzle some oil and toss the noodles, which removes excess starch and prevents noodles from sticking to each other. Set aside for 2 minutes. Now you can start sauteing your vegetables in hot pan. For that, season the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Add carrot and ginger. Stir fry for a minute. Add cabbage, red and green capsicum, and lastly add mushrooms. The veggies should remain crunchy, so do not add salt or overcook. Take out the veggies from pan to a next bowl. Now you can toss the noodles in the same pan. For that, season the pan and add little oil to it. Add ginger and stir fry it. Add the noodles and stir fry for a minute. Add white pepper, sugar, salt, and stir for a minute. Add soy sauce and the enhancing sauce. Add the veggies and mix it in the noodles. Garnish with chopped fresh coriander if you prefer at the end to give additional flavor. Your Hakka noodles are now ready. Enjoy the dish.
So I'm going to just plate it up. आज बड़े प्लेट में डालेंगे, सबके साथ शेयर करेंगे टीम के साथ. So I'll just put it in the big plate instead of a noodle bowl. Here we are. Beautiful, just the right size. इसका कलर देखिए. See the veggies, they're so crunchy, still crunchy, steaming hot. I just can't believe how wonderful and colorful the food looks. With simple recipes, Chinese recipes, it can't get any better. You don't have to go to any restaurant. ख्याल से बनाइए, अच्छे से सब्जियां काटिए ताकि अच्छी लगे. तो अगले एपिसोड तक अपना ख्याल रखिए. तब तक आज्ञा लेता हूँ. ओम शांति.